Hi, how are you? My name is Leo. Here's How to IT. Here is another Amazon SpaceX products video. This is the unboxing and review of the Amazon SpaceX single monitor stand. I have done a lot of Amazon's products review. I generally like their products because of the price/quality ratio. This one even surprised me more. Let's talk about the spec first. The ARM support monitor from 30 to 30 inch and up to 22 pounds. If it's for TV mounts, the weight limit is all I look for, and the spec of the screen is not that matter. In this case, the size matter because of the limited height of the back stand. I used this for a 21-inch ViewSonic touchscreen monitor, which connects an old laptop with Android on. If you're interested how to install Android on your laptop, I put a link down below. The monitor is very heavy, probably over 22 pounds that Amazon claims. Thumbs up for that. I put the arm at the highest point so that I can pivot it with no problem. My monitor bezel is big compared to today's standard. I would say it's relative to 27-inch monitor, and that's the biggest monitor size I would recommend for using this. Amazon states the horizontal arm mounts adjust from 7.9 to 14.2 inches. I put my overweight monitor on the highest point with no problem. The lowest point depends on your monitor size. Keep in mind, once you decide the location where the arm and the back stand connecting, you need to secure that by using a tiny screw and the provided Allen key. That means you cannot easily adjust that. There are 3 points you can adjust the arm. The first point is where the arms and the stand connect. It can rotate 360 degrees, and of course the center point would be the stand. Again, you cannot move that part once it's set up. The second adjustable point is the middle of the arm. That also supports 360 degrees minus the thickness of the arm. The same thing applies to the third point, where the arm connects to the VESA mount. The VESA mount supports -15 to 85 degrees tilt adjustment. It is helpful when I adjust the monitor from landscape to portrait. The VESA's place is compatible with 75 and 100 VESA mounts monitor. You could technically mount the 100mm VESA mounts TV on these things, but TV usually with 200mm mounting holes. This package doesn't have 200mm adapter. The package does come with all the tools and hardware you need. However, my Sunstat have no opening space for the clamp, so I have to drill 2 holes and fire longer screw for installation. Let's talk about my impression of this product. I'm so impressed with the build quality and simple look. This thing is massive and well built. The entire thing is made with metal with black paint. The joint is easy enough to adjust with the rigid feel. The cable management is simple, secure, and clean. There is 2 cable management clips you can attach anywhere on the arm. It can be rotated in any direction too. They fit in very nicely. After the cable loop through those 2 clips, then the cable could put inside the stand. The hole is big. I have no issue putting all the wire through. Even though the biggest power cord, no problem. I have to say this is well thought design. I think it could sell a higher price if it's sold by other well-known brand. Overall, I think this is great buy. It's over worth the money. Great design, solid build quality. The only complaint I can think of is limited high adjustability. That's it. Good job, Amazon. Price and shipping: $28.99 before tax. free shipping if you are Prime member. I ordered it on June 13, delivered on June 23rd. Alright, thank you so much for watching. My name is Leo. Here's How to IT. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.